Happy Easter, Huck. Like they're backwards. Look, Huck. Zola out.
What's inside?
Wine.
Wine? No.
Zola.
Zola.
That's
out.
a pinwheel. You blow it. Yeah.
Let's blow it. Ready? Hold it right here. Right here and then like this.
Is it stuck?
Is this what it's supposed to come off?
No.
Oh, no.
I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to come off. Yeah, orange. Okay, what else is in there? There's
Keep
lots
looking.
of goodies.
Keep looking.
Looking.
And looking.
I look orange.
There's books.
Oh.
What else is in here?
Oh.
So Lou, you lay down. Oh.
Oh.
Get in there, Huck. See what else is in there.
Here's Zola. No, drop it.
Here, babe. I'm gonna get pictures.
Oh.
Zola out.
Whoa.
Wow. Look at that. You can put that right here. Look, right there.
And these, Huck? These are crayons for coloring.
Lay down, Zola.
Mama will show you.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, what else is in your bag?
It's in your bag.
Animal.
Animals, right. Can you say giraffe?
That.
Yeah, giraffe. Set the giraffe right here.
Great. Great.
Zola's going after your bunny ears. Zola. You say cheese? Can you say cheese? Say cheese and say cheese to mama. Cheese, mama.
I'm milk. Gawk. Gawk. Abby.
Zola out. What else is in there?
Milk.
Take it out. What's in there?
There.
Oh,
What is that?
something for Zola to eat.
Is that an autobus?
Milk. Gawk.
Yeah. What else is in there?
Oh.
Oh, Zola.
Whoa.
Hey, Zo.
Whoa. Whoa. What's that? Mine.
She just pulled that out of thin air. No.